If you follow me on Instagram at terpobsessed, that's spelled TERPOBSESSED. On Instagram, you have already seen me post this book a few times. I found this recipe in it called the Get It Done blend like 3 days ago, like 1 to 3 days ago. And now is when I'm finally filming it because I was like, oh, well, why don't I just make that on film? So that shows you how much I can use the Get It Done blend. The recipe in the book calls for doTERRA CPTG, which is certified pure therapeutic grade peppermint essential oil, rosemary essential oil, wild orange, and frankincense. If peppermint is a bad guy, no for you, use spearmint. Spearmint a bad guy, no for you? Oh, that's too bad. Use eucalyptus, which I couldn't find for the life of me before filming this video, so we're gonna do it without it. And now my alarm's going off, reminding me that I have a call in 20 minutes, which is fine. It's fine. I'm gonna film this and put it up. Judge my nails, but judge them in the comments. Okay, so back to the recipe. I am gonna find it in the book while I'm yammering away because I lost the page, but I'm gonna say things like and how delicious rosemary is. Okay, here we go. Great, found it. Get It Done Rollerball blend. You need a 10 milliliter rollerball. I really like these. Focus, camera. Focus. I really like these that come from doTERRA directly. I've definitely purchased a whole lot of these on Amazon, and I just find that these leak on me. I don't know. I like this one better. So it says 5 drops of rosemary. Let's make a mess because I'm doing this behind the camera. 5 drops of rosemary, 8 of le peppermint, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Man, it's gonna be minty. Wild orange, 8 drops of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Some oils come out faster than others. 6 of le funk. Funk and sanson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And that, let's see, can you see that? Can you even see that? Can you tell I'm not a professional? Okay, there's about that much oil in there. I'm gonna fill that up with, what do I have here? I'm gonna put a couple squirts of jojoba just to thicken it up a little bit. And I'm gonna fill it up with doTERRA's fractionated coconut. Oh, I'm gonna pause the video and fill this up. Oh, look, when you thought you paused the video, but you didn't. Okay, fine. That's not even a problem. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this thingamadinger on there, and then somewhere I have one of these, and I'll probably spend 3 hours, too long, making a label for this using my Cricut maker. And I'll definitely open up a new fractionated coconut oil, and I'll top that up because, well, I'm a recipe follower. I follow the recipe. Maybe I'll definitely post a picture in about 7 days when I've taken 42 hours to make a label for that on my Cricut machine. And how do you like my doily? It's just a piece of paper I ran through a laminator because I'm crafty AF. So anyway, thanks. I'm gonna clean this up and you don't have to stick around for that. Subscribe. I'll dance for you. Subscribe. Just click the thing, subscribe and like, subscribe and like. I'm waiting. Subscribe and like until you do subscribe. Okay, cheers. See y'all next time.